episode on your favorite sports channel, The Sports Prophecy. And today, we're going to discuss about UEFA Champions League. Yes, it's back, guys. Again, it's back after just 1 month, I guess. It was like just 1 month before the Bayern lifted the title, my team lifted the title, and again, it's back. So, joining me is Deboji, and I'm Ronak, your favorite person. We are going to talk about your Champions League. So let's start the group.
Group stage.
Yeah, the group draw.
Stage.
The group draws has been done and the group stage.
So what do you feel looking at the groups? Which group is looking like the group of death?
Okay, I feel the last group where PSG and Man United and Leipzig and the Turkish champions Istanbul, Başakşehir are there.
Definitely, I feel
dangerous.
there are a lot of
Those are bad. That's the league.
Yeah, maybe one of the, but there are still a lot of groups which can be competitive. There the things can go competitive.
Yes, and today we're just going to discuss that. The group stage, fantastic matches that are not taking
place. So without wasting time, let's start with group A.
Yeah, group wise we'll go for the analysis. So let's go to group A.
So group A.
Group A.
Yes.
Group A has Bayern, Atletico, Salzburg, and Lokomotiv Moscow.
Yeah, so the champions are in group A.
Yep, my favorite team is in group A.
Yeah, so champions are in group A. I guess group A, I don't think things will go like a bit tricky. I don't even think so.
Yeah. Correct. Bayern is too dominant. Too dominant.
And I think Atletico is a good enough team to beat Salzburg and Lokomotiv Moscow. So
Salzburg is good and they have lost players. Erling Haaland they have lost. Wong Wei Chan they have lost.
I think in group A, the top two positions are settled between Bayern and Atletico. And
no, top is Bayern, second is Atletico for me. And third,
that's what I said. The top two positions between Bayern and Atletico,
okay,
respectively. And then the fight maybe will be between the third and fourth position between Salzburg and Lokomotiv.
But Salzburg is gonna go through to Europa.
Yeah,
they will finish
so that Salzburg will be going through the.
Yeah, they're better team. They're better team than Lokomotiv Moscow.
So without wasting further time, let's start with Group B.
Yes,
so
Group B has
it's actually interesting group. It's actually interesting.
Not interesting. I feel Real Madrid is gonna kill this group.
Yeah, definitely. There is no doubt. My favorite team, Real Madrid, is gonna kill this group. No doubt.
Your favorite team is Real.
Yeah,
Manchester United, I remember.
No, never. My favorite team is Real Madrid.
Okay.
So the thing is that Real Madrid is gonna dominate that group.
They have not started well.
Okay, so first of all, let me say who are in this group. It's Real Madrid, Shakhtar, Inter Milan, and Gladbach.
Yes.
So I think Real Madrid is a clear favorite.
Yeah, clear favorite to win this group, right? Like no competition at all. Inter Milan, no, they can't compete.
I think somehow they will finish in the top two. I mean, like maybe second spot.
Inter will, I guess. Gladbach and
Gladbach and Shakhtar.
Got no problem for Inter Milan to dispose.
Yeah, but the thing will be that whoever will be
finishing third place,
and qualifying for Europa.
Yes.
So
it will be a tough call between Gladbach and Shakhtar.
I think Gladbach.
I think Shakhtar Donetsk will be finishing in the third spot because they have far lot experience in the European competition.
But I think the way they performed in the Bundesliga last season and
they finished fourth.
Yeah, exactly. So I think they have the capability to definitely defeat any of the teams on their day. So I think it will be a good match actually. It will be a good matchup between Shakhtar and Gladbach. So
I think the experience of Shakhtar will help them prevail in this. Okay, third place.
Let's see that. Okay,
so move on to Group C now. Group C has...
Who are in the Group C?
It's Porto, Man City, Olympiacos and Marseille.
So,
easy group.
No
Man
doubt
City
that
has easy group. Very easy
Man
group.
City has got a very easy group. But
all the way. All the signings and everything, all the way Man City.
But who will take the second spot?
Of course, FC Porto. Who else?
I don't think so.
FC Porto. For me, FC Porto.
I think Olympiacos.
Olympiacos? They haven't gone past the group stage, I think, never.
Yeah, because I'm getting a feeling that I'm getting a gut feeling that Olympiacos.
I think even Marseille is better than Olympiacos.
Yeah, but I feel Marseille somehow is kind of one or two guys show because Thauvin definitely dominates that team, and I feel Olympiacos plays as a team. They have defeated Wolves. They were almost on the verge of defeating Wolves last season in the Europa League, and they can do wonders. No doubt, FC Porto is the favourites to.
But Olympiacos, as you said, like they defeated Wolves.
Yeah,
Wolves is in Europa League.
They did defeat.
It's not it's Champions League. FC Porto is much better in Champions.
Yeah, that's true. But okay, fine. Let's see.
Okay,
but so if Porto is gonna finish in top two. I mean,
Yes.
like in the second spot, definitely not. The first is booked by Man City already.
Yes.
Although the form they are going through, even
That is sad. That is sad for Man City lovers. It's fine. But they will obviously top this group.
so who will be the third according to you?
According to
and
Marseille, Olympiacos are gonna go home this time.
Okay, I feel
Marseille.
see it's a tough call between Porto and Olympiacos. I don't think Marseille is gonna.
You said Olympiacos will be second.
Yeah, I said it's a tough. I said it's Olympiacos, and if Olympiacos is second, then Porto will definitely come third. But it's a tough call between Porto and Olympiacos in 2 and 3. But
So you're writing off Marseille.
yeah, I'm writing off Marseille kind of.
Strange. Okay, Marseille is a better team, I guess.
Yeah, maybe they are a better team, but I somehow feel they don't play a group. They don't play as a group, as a team. I feel they are more dependent
Okay, it's
on.
mine word against his. So let's see what will happen. So let's move on to Group D now.
Yeah. So who are there in Group B?
Okay, it's Liverpool,
Yeah.
Ajax, Atalanta, and Midtjylland. Okay, Liverpool.
I think.
Liverpool.
Liverpool.
If they do not display performance like they did at Villa Park that Sunday 7-2, wow, what was that?
I really like Atlanta. I really like Atlanta.
I am vouching them for second place.
Yeah.
I am going for Liverpool
There's
first,
no
Liverpool second.
doubt, there's no doubt that they are either going to finish in first or second place, Atlanta. But
First is too much of an ask if Liverpool
I,
will go.
yes, see, definitely as a team, I love Liverpool, but I would love to see Atlanta finish in the top. I would love to, but it's tough.
If they're playing really good
tough.
football, even I would love that, but I don't see it happening against Liverpool.
Let's see.
Top.
Let's see what.
Ajax is a good team as well, but like as you know, all the players have gone. Van de Beek gone, Hakim Ziyech gone.
Even from Atlanta, many of the players have gone.
No, they have again replaced them as well.
Yeah, that's true, but still, a lot will depend on Joe Gomez. No, not Joe Gomez, actually. Not Joe Gomez. What is his name? Like their captain?
Alejandro Gomez.
Yeah, Alejandro.
Papo Gomez or
Papo
Alejandro
Gomez,
Gomez.
yeah.
Gomez is Liverpool, but he's free. Okay, fine. So it's Ajax for me in the third place. Midtjylland, I don't think the Danish team
I
would
think
be much of a
they will
difference.
be lucky to just qualify over here. Like, just to
Midtjylland,
reach over
right,
there.
yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, Ajax is gonna be in the third place for me.
So,
It's Liverpool, Atlanta,
Yeah.
and Ajax. According to me, according to him, it's
yeah,
Ajax.
it's, I guess it's. I would love to see Atlanta at 1 and Liverpool at 2, and then.
Think by your
yeah.
brains, not by your heart. What
That's
do you
fine, but
brains?
my brain says that Liverpool is going to dominate the group, but still I'm going to go with Atlanta at top.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
So let's move on to Group E now. Now this is a tricky group.
This is
Sevilla,
actually a
Chelsea,
good group. This is actually a good group.
Krasnodar, and Rennes.
Yeah, this is actually a good group. I'm not saying because it is going to be competitive, but I want to see that with so much of new guys, will Chelsea be able to compete against Sevilla?
Nah. Sevilla top for me. Many
Sevilla
people
is
are saying that Chelsea
Sevilla,
will top.
Sevilla.
But ours, me, Sevilla.
Sevilla definitely.
I saw
good.
the game against Bayern. Wow, they were amazing. Amazing
They
defending.
were not the game against Barcelona. They were
Yeah,
even
they were amazing
in that.
defending.
Yeah, exactly. So Sevilla is
Chelsea, wow. West Brom 3, wow. 3 goals against West Brom.
Exactly. So I also think Sevilla is gonna top this group.
Second is Chelsea.
The second is Chelsea because if it would have been interesting if some of the good teams would have been in this group. Like it would have been interesting to see would Chelsea even be able to finish at the top two.
Yes, if Ajax were
Yeah. But
Then
I think
and Krasnodar and Rennes, who is going to qualify for
I
Europa?
think Rennes. I think Rennes.
Rennes doesn't have European experience. I'm going with Krasnodar. Yeah, Rennes has a star player, Eduardo Camavinga, the teenage sensation. But I don't think
I think
Krasnodar is
Rennes
going
will
to
be good enough for Krasnodar. I think so.
Krasnodar for me in the third place. Okay. So moving on to
So,
the Group F.
Group F.
Easy group for Dortmund.
It's
Very easy
actually,
group for Dortmund.
No, the form the Dortmund is in, I don't think so.
Jadon Sancho, it's good and good form. Not bad. One game lost.
Yeah, but still, I still feel that it is a kind of competitive group. If Dortmund is in this form only,
Dortmund is in good form.
I don't feel.
I watch Bundesliga since Bayern plays, and I believe Dortmund is a very good form.
And let's see.
And Dortmund will top this group according to me. Second is going to be Lazio.
I don't think Dortmund will top this group. I feel Lazio will top this group. And second is definitely Dortmund. Either first or second, but I feel I'll give Lazio the edge because Ciro Immobile and they
One
have-
man.
Yeah, one man, but
Luis Alberto
that man
and
is in
Giroud
good
will fine,
form.
but Sancho is better, I guess. much better.
Okay, fine.
Sancho Haaland much better.
Let's see that who finishes in the top two. But what about Zenit and Club Brugge?
Okay, it's going to be Zenit for third place.
Okay, so Zenit for third place. Yeah, even I am going with Zenit for the third place.
Club Brugge is not that a great team.
Yeah, so now Group G.
It's
so,
a great group. Ronaldo versus Messi once again.
Yeah,
Group
exactly.
stage.
Ronaldo versus Messi, and this is
Well, they're not-
I guess this is the first time we are gonna see Ronaldo and Messi competing in the group stage.
Obviously, because
Yeah,
they
exactly.
used to play in the Spanish league,
Yeah,
and two
yeah.
Spanish teams cannot be drawn in the same group.
So it is going to be the actually not
Messi
the
versus
most
Ronaldo match.
interesting group, but maybe the most interesting matchup.
Yeah, definitely, because apart from Juventus and Barcelona, none of them will
we don't see
actually make
any
a difference.
competing. Yeah, exactly. And what do you feel? Who will be competing in the first?
I think with the form Barcelona is in, Barcelona top, Juventus second.
Okay.
Messi or Ronaldo, this side. He is Juventus, and he's a Ronaldo fan.
I am
so
going
he will
with
definitely
Ronaldo.
go with Juventus.
So definitely Juventus at the first place for me, and Barcelona definitely at the second place. And
Dinamo Kiev and
honest,
Ferenc Ramos, nah, Kiev in the third place. Ferenc Ramos, they're lucky.
They're
Beat
lucky.
Celtic and qualify in the Champions
qualify
League.
for the Group G. I mean, like
No further than this.
Yeah, exactly. I
Enough.
also feel so.
And
it's the
now
final group,
we come to the
final
group of death.
Yeah, exactly.
Group
So the
of
final
death.
group.
PSG.
PSG, Manchester
Man United.
United.
Previous season semi-final will start with Leipzig
And Istanbul
Başakşehir.
So-
The super sensational Turkish club.
So I don't think there is any doubt about
PSG
like, on
top.
anyone's mind that
PSG
Istanbul is gonna let down in this group. It's gonna,
I feel Man United will finish fourth. I feel Man United will finish fourth.
well, that was a good joke, but I
It's
don't
not a
think-
joke. It's Man United will finish fourth.
No,
Truly,
truly I understand that they are not in good
They're
form.
playing like
Oh.
shit.
I feel Paris Saint-Germain PSG is surely
PSG is
gonna
definitely
finish.
top.
Surely is
Definitely
gonna
top.
finish in the top.
Definitely top.
There is no doubt. And
First,
in the
second is
second
Leipzig.
spot, I am going with Manchester United.
Leipzig for me.
I am going with Leipzig.
Julian Nagelsmann, he is wondrous. He's a
Yeah,
Houdini of football.
You need to understand Leipzig has lost a lot of players.
One player, Timo Werner, and they have got
that player was
Chan
that player was one of the top scorers in this league.
Okay, fine, but they have Wang Wei-Chan, they have John
That
Wardy,
is
they
fine,
have
but
brought
I
some
still,
amazing replacements.
I still
And they have
don't
let
feel
Lookman go, he was not playing that well.
Timo Werner's pace, I think they can miss that. They
No,
can
I don't think so. Wang Wei-Chan is pacey player as well. I've seen him.
Still, I am backing Manchester United because I feel they have not started the English Premier League in a good fashion. But I think they will not continue this.
They failed in the transfer window as well. No Jadon Sancho after promising Jadon Sancho.
That's
everything.
true, but I feel they can make up, and I feel they will definitely finish in the top two.
I don't think so. It's Paris and then
Let's see,
Leipzig
let's see,
for me.
let's see, let's see. So for you, it's Leipzig finishing in the second spot, and
He loved
Manchester
every
United-
player where Ronaldo has played, so he's always
No,
with
nothing
Manchester
as such.
United,
Nothing-
Real, Juventus, as you can see.
Nothing
the
as
trend
such.
is
I
same.
am a Ronaldo fan, but I'm definitely a Real Madrid supporter till now because I support that team and not a single player. So
I think Istanbul will be in third place. Manchester United
I
in
think-
fourth place. People will bash me for this, will troll me for this heavily on YouTube, I know. But Istanbul
will-
in third. Manchester United in
even
fourth.
Istanbul
Trust
knows
me.
that they are gonna finish in fourth. So basically, I really feel so.
No. Istanbul
So
third.
let's see. Let's the group start.
Okay, so who will win that trophy this time?
Who will win this trophy?
Real, Bayern, City, who?
See,
Liverpool, Juventus, Barcelona.
Bayern.
I'm gonna pick Bayern winning the trophy again, retaining the title.
I'm gonna go with Real Madrid.
Or Liverpool.
Real Madrid.
Bayern or Liverpool. for me.
I'm gonna go with Real or Liverpool to win this one.
So Liverpool common.
Yeah,
Liverpool is a good team.
Liverpool.
Okay, fine.
And nobody's backing Barcelona.
I am not.
Nobody's backing Barcelona. Okay, but they have started the league in a good fashion.
No, this is behind Real.
They
Real are better.
they have started the league in a good fashion. I think Coutinho is doing a good job for them.
Coutinho, Ansu Fati, both
Yeah,
are playing
exactly.
well.
Fati is playing some magic.
Okay, so I don't think we don't have enough time for today, I guess. It's a
Okay,
long video,
so-
it's been very long, so I
Yeah.
think we should stop here.
Yeah.
So, guys, thank you for joining with us. And
we
obviously,
will be bringing further videos like this for you guys.
yeah,
And don't
please,
forget to-
please subscribe us, man. You look at our videos and you do not subscribe. Come on.
Yeah, exactly.
Show the love that you support us. Do subscribe.
Do like our videos and
Share
comment
it.
down.
And comment on your own predictions.
These views.
Yeah, your views as well. Who's
Yeah.
going to top? Who's going to finish in the group stages?
And share our video if possible.
Of course, if any
you like.
suggestions you have to improve the quality of the video, the content you want, definitely feel free to write to us.
So guys, for today,
And for other videos like IPL videos, check out the videos here and here. It's going to come up on your screen. So it's sad. I think it's off.
guys.
Okay,
So
guys.
for today we are ending over here. So guys, start our live.
Bye.